Being able to spot fake AirPods Pros will protect you from being scammed. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to identify the originals from the fakes. Now let's get into it. The quickest way to spot fake AirPods is to look at the box. There are 3 things on the box that tell you whether this is the real deal or not. The first thing to look at is the plastic that covers this entire box. On the real or original AirPod Pro box, it comes with an opening which has an arrow, which makes it easy to rip off the plastic and open the box. On the fakes, you'll just have one intact plastic without this opening mechanism. The second thing to look at is the stickers on the box. On the fakes, the stickers are about the same height, but on the originals, they are different. One is shorter and more rectangular than the other. Just note that depending on the country where you are purchasing them, sometimes the stickers might be the same height. So on the stickers, to verify if they are the real deal, check for the month and year text as well as an Apple address. As you can see here on the original, we have month and year, which is 08-2021, as well as an address, which is Apple Distribution International Limited, Hall Hill Industrial Estate, Cork, Ireland. On the fakes, the stickers don't have both the address as well as the month and year text. The last thing on the box to look out for is the barcode inside the top lid of the box. On the real AirPods Pro, the barcode is printed right at the edge here. On the fake ones, there is a gap, as you can see here. So on the real ones, there is no gap here, and on these ones, there is a gap. Also notice here, on the real ones, it's just one color in the box, but on the fake ones, it's 2 colors. Here, it's lighter than here. Now let's go inside the box. The first thing that can tell you if the AirPods Pro you're holding are fake is the plastic wrap on the AirPods Pro case. The plastic on the fakes is of poor quality and is not as thick as the one on the originals. But obviously, this is difficult to judge if you've never seen the plastic on the originals. So you should look for a grey line on the plastic wrap covering the AirPods Pro case. This is the line. And if you compare on the fakes, there is no line. Now let's look at 2 things that you can test on the AirPods Pro to determine if they are the real deal or not. The first thing to look at is how your AirPods Pro responds to touch. The AirPods Pro use squeeze gestures instead of taps. So if you can operate them, that is, play, pause or skip songs with a tap with 1 finger instead of a squeeze with 2 fingers, then they are not the real deal. Now for the 5th way to check if your AirPods Pros are originals and not fakes is to invoke Siri. If you can't invoke Siri when you have the AirPods Pro in your ears, then they are not the real deal. Now let's just go to a bonus way to check if your AirPods Pro are originals and not fakes. Now for the bonus point, to verify if the AirPods Pro you have are original or fake is to open the box. So once you open the box to review the charging cable, you can see here that on the originals, the charging cable fills the entire enclosure, but on the fakes, it does not. As you can see here, there's a gap here, or the cable can move around. But you can't do that on the originals. I hope this quick video helps you spot the real AirPods Pros from the fake ones and protects you from being scammed and paying top dollar for the fakes. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.